History, the East African history. History is the study of the past events. Here in the Great Lakes region, we had the strongest kingdom into the greatest empire. This was Bunyoro Kitara kingdom initially, but later on built itself into the greatest Bunyoro Kitara empire. Was created by the Abatembus. Who were the Abatembus? These Abatembus were gods or demigods. First Mutembus was Ruhanga or Ruhinda, the creator, in other words. The second one was Incha, and this Incha produced 4 children, Chintu, who became the first Muganda. Kakamatware, this is where all the rulers originated from. Kairu, this was son of Ncha, who started the cultivation and became the head of all cultivators. Kahima was the ringleader of farmers. The third leader, this is Kakamatwari. The fourth became Baba, and during Baba's regime, this is where the first death occurred in the Great Lakes region. There was no death before Baba, but during his reign is when the first death occurred here in the Great Lakes region. Since time immemorial, the fifth leader was Mukonko. The sixth was Ngonzaki, the seventh was Isaza. And this Isaza became the last king of Batembos. There came into existence the leadership of Abachwez. Big NB, before these Abachwez, the Batembuzi leaders never died. The history tells us that during that time they could sit together in a large congregation or large national or regional assembly, and they could disappear mysteriously in the general gathering. That is the Congo history of Great Lakes region. Abachwezi leaders died. Since death started during the Baba's leadership, and the Batembuzi leaders never died at all. That's where even Gihanga Ngomijana came from. Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom came here in these southern hills and created Rwanda. Rwanda means large country. This Gihanga Ngomijana never died. You check in the history of mankind, he just disappeared because he was a Mutembus. But the leaders, so-called Abachwez, died. We don't know whether they died artificial death or natural death, but they died. They faced death. The first Mchwezi was Ndahura Karubumbi. Later on, changed his name into Isimbwa. The second Mchwezi was Wamara. became the second and the last king of Dabachwes. There came the reign of Ababito, or the Ababito leadership. Dababito had Isingomwa Rukidi Mpuga as the first and the last king of Dababito. Here in Great Lakes region, we had a lot of events that took place in this region. The day-to-day Kenya was not Kenya before. Kenya was called Wanga. Wanga was the kingdom of Western Kenya. And Kenya came into existence depicting the word Kenya from the Kenyatta, the first president. Kenya in full means Kenyatta entered Nairobi yesterday afternoon. Let us go back into Ncha's son, Chintu. Chintu was the first Muganda. Chintu was the founder of Buganda Kingdom. That's how history tells in Great Lakes region. Here they picked the title as kings. A king in Rwanda is called Umwami and was also called Umwami. Since Gihanga Ngomishana created the strongest leadership of Gami in Rwanda. A king in Uganda is called Kabaka. A king in Bunyoro is called and was called Omukama. Omukama. A king in Toro is also or was also Omukama. A king in Busoga is called Chabazinga. And long ago was also Chabazinga. A king in Ankore is and was called Omugabe. God in Rwanda is called Imana. God in Uganda is called Katonda. God in Bunyoro is called Ruhanga. God in Toro is called Ruhanga.